Hello, in this video I am going to take a quiz from USAJOBS. This is the official website for United States of government, and this is a quiz for to find the perfect fit for career. So I am a software engineer. I have expertise like software development using technologies like Java, then .NET, then some other programming language also, both backend and front end all together. So I will check whether I am a perfect fit for this type of USA jobs, jobs basically. And here there are 32 questions, and it lasts like 10 to 15 minutes. That means to complete these 32 questions, it will take like 10 to 15 minutes, and this will help me to understand whether this USA jobs is perfect fit for me or not. And here they mention on very important line, you get science based results and explore new opportunities. So basically the result which you will get, that will definitely be a good output to understand whether this USA jobs is perfect for you or not. So let's see how it fits for me as a software developer. So I'm going to press this start button to start the quiz, and here it is showing USAJOBS Career Explorer. This tool will help you understand what jobs within the federal government might fit your interest. Read its question and determine how much you think you would like or dislike for doing the activities. So this is a very small perfect definition about this thing, about this quiz. And here other lines are there. Don't think about whether you have the skills to do the activity or how much money you would make. So here they are telling two important things: whether you have skills to do activity. It asking, do you have the skill, or how much money you make. This please don't think about this. Okay, so they are mentioning this thing. This is the main important thing. Our goal is to allow you to explore careers in the federal government you might like or find rewarding. And then there is a button, continue button. So I'm going to press continue button, and it will start the quiz. So it has like some questions. So we'll start from beginning. This is question number 1. So this part is the common for most of the question, I think so. That's why it's bold, something like that. Maybe it's different, I'm not sure. This is for the first time I'm taking this quiz to check whether I'm a good fit for USA jobs or not. So first question: operate machines to cut, shape and fit metal, glasses or concrete parts. Use tools to create finished products of or structures. Okay, so I'm a software developer, so an IT guy, so I don't need this thing. I'm not interested to this thing. So there are a couple of choices like not interested, slightly interested, moderately interested, very interested, extremely interested. That means this job, whether I like it or not. So basically for me this will be the perfect fit, not interested. Now this is the second question, and here see the first question: how interested are you in the doing this thing? How interested are you doing? So see, this is common. Actually at the beginning I saw this is bold, so I guess that it should be the bold for all of them, and it is also bold and same question but different description. So second question: fix electronics, machines and work equipment using hand and power tools, replace parts, make repairs and perform tests to check the results. This thing I don't know how to do, but sometimes I can fix electronics machines, but it is not that much I do, so I'm not interested. So I'm going to choose this option, not interested. Question number 3: how interested are you doing these activities at work? Okay, fine. Study plant and animal growth in settings such as farms, forests, zoos or shelters. Tend to crops or animals and learn what affects their growth or survival. This is also not a good fit for me, and I am not interested. I am interested for a small number of pet, but not like this or plants. This is I'm interested with this, but not that much. So I'm telling not interested or slightly interested. We can say slightly interested, something like that. That is fine. How interested are you in doing these activities at work? This is the fourth question. Provide health care and treatment to patients with various conditions and needs. Perform medical procedures and track patients' progress. This is, I'm also not fit for me, this job basically, and I am interested but not that much, so I'm choosing not interested. And now, fifth question: how interested are you in doing these activities at work? Transport cargo and passengers by land, sea, or air using trucks, trains, planes, or boats. Load materials and follow routes and directions. Not interested. I'm going to choose this option. And sixth one: how interested are you in doing these activities at work? Create, configure, and test computer software and hardware. Write programs, conduct analysis, and meet design standards. So this one I'm extremely interested. Create, configure, and test. So I'm choosing this option, extremely interested. So how interested are you in doing these activities at work? Provide recreation and social service in parks, health centers, or community centers. Teach classes, organize group activities, and help people with their needs. Okay, so social service in parks, health centers, or community centers, I'm interested somehow, so I'm choosing this one, like slightly interested. Then question number 8: how interested are you in doing these activities at work? Create products for fabrics and raw materials that meet quality and safety standards. Write and apply product requirements. This one I'm not interested, so I'm choosing not interested. So we are now question 9 out of 32. Only 8 question I answered of 32. Still we have to continue 32 all of them. Question number 9. I'm not going to read this line from now because this line is the same. So I'm going to choose these 2 lines or number of lines. What is the description? Based on that I will answer. So investigate and solve legal claims or disputes related to civil or criminal law. Interview witness, review evidence, and appear in court. This is slightly interested. That is fine. How interested are, same question. Design and construct buildings and shapes to meet safety and efficiency goals. Make sure that interior exterior materials are of high quality. Not interested. And this one: how interested are you in doing these activities at work? Shape metals and other physical objects using heat, pressure, or chemicals. Use specialized machines to work with metal or print text or images. Not interested at all. This one I am not sure how to do, so that's why I choose not interested. And manage the purchase and sales of commercial products and services to customers. Take orders, determine prices, and meet customers' needs. This one a little bit, but not that much. Manage the purchase and sale of commercial products and services to customers. This one slightly interested is fine. The next question number 13: create and edit visual and audio content for video, print, and online media platforms. Use cameras, softwares, or other tools to create graphics, stories, and layouts. This one is very much interested, so I'm going to choose last one, extremely interested. And then 14th: track and report business operations such as workloads, budgets, schedules of services. Collect information, monitor work quality, and track use of resources. This one I am good with this third option, which is moderately interested. Now the next question: evaluate product designs and technical services to check their usefulness and compliance with rules. Review data and report to provide feedback. This one I can say like moderately interested. That is fine. The next question 16: monitor the quality and safety of food and agricultural products and supplies. Make sure food products are made and processed properly. This one I'm not interested. The next question: maintain the condition of work areas, property, and public spaces. Keep buildings and spaces in good working order and free from damage. Not interested. Then question number 18: control the flow and pressure of gas, water, air, or oil in energy or utility softwares. systems, not software systems, measure levels and change settings in on valves, pumps, storage tanks. This one is also out of my knowledge, out of my brain completely, so I'm choosing not interested. Next question, how interested are you in doing these activities at work? Teach and train other science, math or workspace topics, engage students, provide feedback and track progress. This one actually I like it. Teach and train other science, math or workplace topics. This is fine. I'm very interested. Then question number 20 out of 32, we are almost half. Not half, almost, not almost, most half is already over. This is 20, right? So you can say like 2/3 is almost will be done very shortly. So direct an organization's functions and coordinate the activities of workspace, determine work plans, manage resources and control budget. This on like moderately interested because I do sometimes meeting management, this type of thing, that's why. So question number 21, handle the shipment and storage of supplies for customers, stores or warehouse, arrange, move, pack and label items. Handle the shipment and storage of supplies for customers. So this one I also not interested, so I'm going to choose not interested. Then prevent fires, accidents or injuries at work sites by accessing safety hazards, create safety rules, conduct checks and inspections and investigate accidents. Not interested at all. So next one, design methods to efficiently and securely store and transport critical applications and resources. Make sure policies are followed to protect the public and prevent waste. This one also I'm not interested, so I'm going to choose not interested. Next one, map the features, dimensions and contours of land or objects using measurement instrument. Use tools like camera or GPS device to track measurements. Map the feature, dimension and control land or this one slightly interested or moderately interested, you can say. Then this one, process bills, payments, invoice and credit services, check the status of account and statement and verify the information is correct. This one I'm very interested, so you can say extremely interested. This one, design hiring and training programs to help people find and maintain jobs, provide guidance of job seekers and employees. This one I'm somehow moderately interested. Then next one, select the right materials for use in laboratories, factories, worksite, handle special chemicals, raw materials to make sure they are used or disposed of correctly. This is I don't know basically, so I'm choosing not interested. So we are almost done now. 28 out of 32. So identify and fix problems with the parts and functionings of engineers and mechanical system. Make adjustments and ensure system work as intended. So identify problems, this thing, with parts and functionings of engines. I don't know, I have no idea. I only know computer hardware and software, so this thing is not is not my topic, so I'm going to choose not interested. Number 29, provide services or treatment to help clients with physical and emotional rehabilitation, create personalized treatment plans and connect people with health resources. Not interested at all, so I'm going to choose not interested. Number 30, collect, analyze and report data to inform decisions, conduct research or discover trends, check data quality, interpret results and explain findings. Report data to inform decisions, conduct research or discover trends, right? Check data quality. So this one I am interested, like I'm moderately interested because I do a lot of data analytic tasks. That's why I choose it. I'm not sure this means that one or not, but still I like that. That's why I chose that question. Basically, I was talking about question 30. Now 30 on. So second last question from this question bank or question quiz. So let's see what is about this question. Provide information about services, rules and trends to business and the public. Issue guidance and answer question to help others understand policies. Okay, So this one also I'm not interested, so I'm going to choose not interested. And the last one, 32, and after that I will see whether this USA job is good fit for me or not. Okay, so this is last question. Let's see what it after this question, what it gives me the output. Protect the public from hazardous materials, crime, or control enforce laws and prevent harm from dangerous materials or activities. This one I am not interested at all, so I'm going to choose not interested. Now let's see. Great, you have answered all the question. Okay, now it's time to see the results as a software engineer or IT person. So I'm going to click here, and it is analyzing, calculating your result. Let's see what it gives me. And then this is the feedback. I'm going to close it because I don't need it. Then your result is in here. You are in job search matches. So these are the thing. So here how it is actually showing. So there are a couple of lists I see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 list is there, and there are a couple of description. Okay, let's see from the beginning. So here at the beginning it is showing investigative analysis series 1805, this series, computer clerk and assistant series 0335, computer science, information technology management, and audiovisual production, metrology, then statistical assistant, and language specialist, intelligence, and librarian. Okay, wow, so this type of series is fit for me. Okay, let's check one by one. I'm not going to check all of them. I'm going to choose one or two like that. Like for example, computer science or information technology management. Just click here. So here is the details. So based on your answers, your interests are a strong match with this job series. Okay, so you will work in information technology systems and services, including computers, network components, then software or firmware. You may work in any of the specialists. This type of thing I can work. Application software, customer support, data management, enterprise architecture, internet, IT service, network service, operating system, policy and planning for organization, security, system administrator, system, this thing. And these are the specialties I can work. These are the things basically I can work. And popular job titles, and information technology specialist, okay, program manager, supervisory information technology specialist. Okay, so these are the popular job titles for this category, like information technology management. Okay, so if you search in US job by this title, information technology specialist or program manager or supervisory information technology specialist, then you'll find this type of job. Okay, so next let's check another one. So let's check this one. I checked, right? So let's check like computer clerk and assistant. Probably this will be the entry level position, I'm not sure. Let's check. Click here. So here they are showing this is the job. You will be provide data processing support, okay, and services for people using computers. So that's nice. This work could include receiving, maintaining, and giving out data storage to devices for computers. Okay, scheduling computer time for program processing. Okay, fine. Collecting, maintaining, and distributing programs and system documents, collecting raw information and preparing flowcharts, and finally coding in programming language. Okay, that's nice. I love programming. Okay, it should understand external data processing sequences, controls, and procedures or user and programming language. And this computer clerk and assistant, this 30335, the popular titles are these three basically: computer assistant, computer clerk, functional and automation coordinator. Okay, so these are the categories. Even if you check librarian, you can also find this is the thing, like digital collections specialist for foreign service, regional public librarian, and so many things. Okay, now so far based on my interest, basically USA job is able to find for me. So these are the jobs or categories. This series jobs are basically suitable for me, and here for each job they are actually explaining everything. Okay, so there is a description. Sometimes there is one paragraph with some bulleted points, and sometimes only single paragraph. And they also mentioned like popular job titles. So this will be the title for this job. and there is also another button which I didn't mention. So if you check here, like search for jobs in this series, for each of the category there is a button. So if you click here, it will basically be in details. So I'm going to click on, let's see what it gives me. So once I click here I am seeing that these are the jobs which is suitable for my skill set or my interest, right? With both, right? And here I'm seeing that this series, investigative analyst, then investigative and all this investigative analyst. Okay, and the salary is pretty nice, 97, 98. It's very good salary basically, I will say, with federal position, and also like same title, investigative analyst, right? So that's it, guys. I just tried to explore one thing, and if you are interested, you can also check the quiz and you can test, and then after that you can decide whether this is a good fit or not. So for me, for my understanding, I put all my interest, and after putting all of my interest, I found that the category or the series, like for example, this is a series, right, on 805 investigative analysis. This is a series. It gave me a couple of series, like 10 different series I showed you earlier. So those are based on my interest or whatever I like. Based on that, it gave me all the output, and I see it's really working. And here the way it is actually presented is really very nice to start USAJOBS site. Like when you come this USAJOBS, it's a little bit complicated for my understanding. You will not find very easy, like it's not a like common traditional like indeed.com or dice.com. You have to explore a little bit, you have to spend some time to understand all the terms. So I have planned in future I will discuss many topics related to USAJOBS, to targeting federal jobs. Time to time I will show you. So this time I just showed you how to understand or which position you need to apply, or how you'll find the category where you can apply from USAJOBS very easily. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you have any like creative comment, you can mention, or if you have any question, you can put in the comment section. So bye for now. Thank you guys for watching the video.